Today on CJL Off-Road, we're going to show you how to mount up some lights on your JL Wrangler with some help from Mopar. If you're looking to mount a pair of lights onto the windshield of your JL Wrangler, then today we're going to be mounting up these Mopar windshield brackets onto the front end of our 2018 JL Wrangler. These Mopar windshield brackets are constructed out of a durable 1/8" steel, then powder coated in this nice satin black material. They include all the necessary hardware and spacers to get them mounted up onto your JL Wrangler and give you a nice place to mount up your lights or CB antennas or any other accessories. Let's get them mounted up on our two-door Wrangler and see how they look. Super excited to get these on. The only tool you're going to need for this is a ratchet and a T40 Torx bit. We're going to get both of these as well as these top two bolts pulled out. Then we'll get our bracket as well as the new hardware and spacers and get them installed. With these brackets, they are going to be side specific. This is the driver's side as it has the overhang towards the cab of the Jeep, and this is going to be the top here. That's where you mount your lights. With the hardware, there also is different hardware. You've got the two longer ones and two shorter bolts for each side. These two longer bolts as well as this style spacer are going to be used for those top two bolts that you pulled off the top of the cowl, and then this is going to be front to back. So this front one actually comes with just a tad bit bigger spacer. Then the rear towards the cab is going to come with this narrower one. You're going to put this bolt through the outside and then the spacer in between your Jeep and this bracket. Let's get them bolted up. Let's get these two spacers into place. Put the shorter end and the narrower end in through, like so. And then we're going to set our bracket up. Just mock it into place and get that longer hardware. Let's go through the top. We'll just get it started a little bit. Down here, that little bit longer of a standoff is going to go in this front hole. Just get that started a little bit. Then the shorter one is going to go in the back. As you guys can see, I didn't mount any lights up here. If it were me doing this, I would mount the light up first. However, you still have pretty good access under here. So we'll get these bolted up and then maybe mount a light up and see how it looks. Use your T40 Torx bit to get these tightened down. Once you get them all tightened up, repeat the same process on the other side, and that'll complete your install. Our Mopar windshield brackets are installed, and we threw a set of these rigid Midnight Series lights on them. As you can see, they look really great. They're extremely stout. They're a really good location for your light or your CB antennas. Honestly, you have 4 different locations you can mount things up. They're sold as a pair, so they're a really great feature for your JL Wrangler. There's a ton of lights, CB antennas, everything like that we also have available here for you. And you can mount up on your JL to give it that custom look. Overall, I'm super happy with this. You only need a T40 Torx bit to get them installed and about 10 minutes of your time. Now you can find them right here at cjponyparts.com, as well as many other great JL parts. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJL Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here. And for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.